Now it's time to prime and install the black Berkey purification elements for your Berkey system. On the outside of the containing box is a listing of all the chemicals and contaminants that the black Berkeys remove, such as pathogenic bacteria, cysts, and parasites like E. coli, Giardia, and Cryptosporidium, trihalomethanes, otherwise known as THMs, radiologicals such as radon-222, inorganic minerals such as chlorine residual removed to below detectable limits, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, such as atrazine and benzene, heavy metals such as lead, mercury, aluminum, and copper. And finally, nitrites and nitrates are also removed with the black Berkey purification elements. More details can be found on the website. Please locate the tan priming button included in the black Berkey containing box. Inside this box also you will find instructions detailing out this priming procedure step by step. Now locate the wing nut for your black Berkey filter. This will be used to help secure your filter against the faucet during the priming operation. Place on your tan priming button and hold it up to the faucet. Water will be forced backwards through the filter during this operation. This will be pushing out any air bubbles that have been trapped inside the filter during production. Priming the filters can take anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes per filter. You will know you are successful when you see a beading of the water occur across the entire outside of the filter. This means that all the air bubbles have been pushed out. Repeat this procedure for both black Berkey elements. Water will now come in through the sides of the filter and drop through the stem into the lower chamber for drinking. A set of 2 black Berkey purification elements will last approximately 6,000 gallons. However, from time to time, it may be required to clean the outside of these filters. Calcium, limescale buildup, or other types of particulate matter may clog the pores and prevent water from getting inside the filter. Gently scrubbing the outside of your filter will remove this residue and should open the pores back up for use. This cleaning is only required if you've noticed the filtration flow rate has slowed down over time. Some filters never require cleaning. Other filters require cleaning every 3 to 6 months. This will depend entirely on the source water that you are dumping into the upper chamber of your Berkey filter system. For additional priming details and a listing of what the black Berkey purification elements remove, please visit our website at bigberkeywaterfilters.com.